Hello everyone, myself Nikita Sadalgi. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacology, KL College of Pharmacy, Belagavi. Now I am going to show experiment on bleeding time, that is determination of bleeding time. The aim of this experiment is determination of bleeding time, and the requirements for this experiment is this is filter paper. Okay, and I have written here bleeding time, and these are the circles I have drawn, and these are the circles at the interval of 30 seconds I have drawn to determine the bleeding time. First circle is 0 second, second 30 seconds, third one is 60 seconds, fourth one is 90 seconds, fifth one is 120 seconds, and sixth circle is 150 seconds. So like this at the interval of 30 seconds, so I am going to check the appearance of blood. This is filter paper which I have kept, and this is pricking needle. Through this I am going to take the bold prick, and this is pricking pen, and it is cotton which is dipped in 70% alcohol. So before starting with the experiment bleeding time, so first I will explain what is bleeding time. So bleeding time, it is nothing but time required for the complete flow of blood. That means time when bleeding has started, so till its cessation, means till its end. Okay, what time has taken in between from bleeding time onwards till the cessation of it. It means till the end of the bleeding. What time has taken, that will be considered as a bleeding time. And this bleeding time has clinical significance in determining the hemorrhage disorders. So this is the principle behind this experiment. So now going with the procedure. Okay, so I'll perform this. So procedure is, first we have to sterilize our ring finger, and after that take a bold prick, and immediately bleeding starts. So once bleeding starts, so I have to take the reading of every 30 seconds. So when bleeding starts, immediately just I have to touch the first circle, okay, where blood appearance on the 0 seconds, and again I have to wait for 30 seconds, and again after 30 seconds I have to take the second reading. That means again I am going to place the blood on the 30 seconds, that is on the second circle. So like this we have to continue, so till the end, means appearing of blood should be stopped. So till that we are going to check the blood appearance, okay, till where it stops, that we have to check. So we will start this experiment. This is cotton which is dipped in 70% alcohol. First I will sterilize my ring finger. I have sterilized it, and this is pricking needle. This I am going to place into this pricking pen. Okay, this I have placed in this. Now I will take the prick at the tip of the ring finger here. Okay, so bleeding has started. See here, 0 seconds. I am going to place first time on the 0 seconds, and after this I will wait 30 seconds for the next reading. So one more thing, take care that we should not press on the circles. We have to just touch the filter paper, normal touch. I'll wait for the completion of 30 seconds, and here also at this portion also we should not press like this. Okay, now 30 seconds over. So second time I'm going to place it. Again we'll wait for 30 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. At 60 seconds again I am going to touch the filter paper. Just I am going to touch it. I am not going to press it. I will rub here this side. Okay, blood flow is there. At sides I am going to rub it. Again I will wait for 30 seconds. Okay, so this is the fourth time I am placing here blood. Here side, this is side portion. I am just cleaning. Now it is at 90 seconds. So here we have to see where blood has not appeared. Okay, on which circle blood has not appeared, that will be considered as a bleeding time. Okay, now 30 seconds got over. Again I am going to place here. Okay, so here blood has not appeared. It means what it indicates in bleeding time. Okay, what it is bleeding time? It says time when bleeding has started, so till its cessation, means where it has ended. So here at 120 seconds bleeding has ended. It means here no blood is appeared. This will be our bleeding time. Okay, see here at last at the 90 seconds, so here bleeding has appeared. It means we should not consider this one as a bleeding time. We have to consider the circle where blood has not appeared. It means here bleeding has ended. So that is 120 seconds. So here bleeding time of my own blood is 120 seconds. So this will be my report. That is bleeding time of my own blood is 120 seconds. Okay, thank you.